Hi everybody, welcome to Fun Thursday Drawing with Mr. Jason. Today we're going to draw a quick Valentine's Day card. To do that, we're going to need our drawing implements. We'll need a pencil, an eraser, maybe some coloring tools if you wish to color it later, crayons or markers or colored pencils. We're going to fold our paper into a card shape. So to do that, we're going to start with our paper landscaped. This isn't right. Hi everybody. Welcome to Fun Thursday Drawing with Mr. Jason. And today we are going to make a Valentine's Day card. Per usual, you'll need your drawing tools, a pencil, an eraser, and anything that you prefer to use to color it if you wish to do that later. I'm going to use a Sharpie so that you can see what I'm doing. To make a card, we're going to have to fold our paper. So we're going to start with our paper landscape, so it's going to be wider than it is tall. To fold it, you're going to find the corners on the right side. That's the right side right here. You can find those corners, and you're going to bend the paper over so that it meets over here on the left side. Line up the corners as best you can. Hold it down with your left hand and just make a crease with your other hand. Once you have it a crease, move your other hand a little bit closer just to hold it and get a grip, and use that finger to bend the paper all the way to the top and all the way to the bottom. You should have a card. Now I want to open it like a book, and right now the way I have it, it's opening backwards. I don't want it to open on the left side, I want it to open on the right side. So just simply flip it over. Remember, the left hand is, you can make an L with your left hand. I want the folded side on that side. We're going to start our drawing. We're going to start near the bottom of the page. We're going to make a very slightly curved line. It's almost straight. And on either end of where that line ends, we're going to make a curved line that looks like a diagonal U. You'll see what I mean in just a moment. See how that looks like a U, except it's diagonal? We're going to do that on both sides. And at the bottom of these shapes, two little curved lines that look like toes. From there, we're going to do a just ever so slightly curved line so that our critter has a belly. It goes up to about there. On this side, we're going to do a slightly rounder curved line, because this is the side that has the mouse's backside. And we'll go up there. So it's just a little bit rounder. Over here, we're going to do a diagonal line. Go up a little bit. Draw another diagonal line. And we're going to draw circle, circle, circle. And one more for good luck. On this side, oops, ignore that. We're going to do a diagonal line, a diagonal line, and we're going to draw a wavy line. 1, 2, 3. So around the middle of this wavy line, we're going to draw a straight diagonal line out, going out, and a straight diagonal line going down. Another diagonal line going down towards the left foot, another diagonal line going down towards the left foot, and connect them. In the middle of this shape, it's kind of a square shape, in the middle but up a teeny bit, we're going to draw a seagull from far away, and that's this shape. And we're going to draw a diagonal line down towards the bottom on both sides. And you have drawn a heart. From this corner, we're going to draw a diagonal line that goes to the heart, and from this corner. So now it looks like our little critter here is holding a Valentine. I want to close this so it looks like the mouse has a little bit of a shoulder. Oops, I told you what the critter was. Little round line. Now from the top of these two shoulders, we're going to draw just a little line going up. This one about the same distance. Draw a semicircle at the point where these two lines end for the mouse's ears. Semicircle on this side. Semicircle on this side. And connect them. We're going to come down from the top of the head to about the middle area and draw the first eye. And the way I draw the eye is just make a circle and just kind of keep going around it till it's got the desired darkness. Between the two eyes, we're going to draw a triangle with the point at the bottom. And then a wavy line. And connect it. I want my mouse to be smiling, so at the top of those two lines, I just add another little line. Our mouse has whiskers, so on the side of the face, 1, 2, 3. And over here, 1, 2, 3. Also has a tail, so we're going to come to this back side here and just draw a slight spiral. So it's a line. I'm going to curve it, keep curving until we get to that shape. Now, I said over here, our mouse is holding something. That's what that kind of shape of hand means. It's holding something here. We're going to draw a straight line from here to here. And then we're going to come down and then loop it. So we're going to go up near the top of our paper and draw a big seagull. And we're going to find the end where we stop the wing and come down with a slightly curved line. Same thing over here. Come down, slightly curved line. Little triangle at the bottom, and then connect those. Our mouse is holding a Valentine's balloon. We'll finish by just adding a little line over here. And that is a mouse holding a Valentine's for your Valentine's card. I hope that you enjoyed the drawing. I'm hoping that your teacher can help you fill in what you want to write here. You could write something like, be mine, happy Valentine's Day, but I'm going to leave that for you and the teachers to decide. And then you got the whole inside of the card that you can also fill out for somebody special. I hope you've enjoyed the drawing, and I will see you next week for Fun Friday drawing. Enjoy. Happy Valentine's Day.